High-protein salads are a fantastic way to nourish your body and help it detox. By incorporating a variety of protein-rich ingredients into your salad, you can boost your energy levels, support muscle growth, and aid in the elimination of toxins from your body. Protein is an essential macronutrient that plays a crucial role in the body's overall health and well-being. It is made up of amino acids, which are the building blocks of protein and are necessary for the growth, repair, and maintenance of tissues in the body. Including high-protein foods in your diet can help you feel full and satisfied, regulate your blood sugar levels, and support your metabolism. When it comes to creating a high-protein salad, there are countless options to choose from. Some of the best sources of protein to include in your salad are lean meats such as chicken, turkey, or fish, as well as plant-based sources like tofu, tempeh, beans, lentils, and quinoa. These ingredients not only provide a substantial amount of protein, but also offer a wide range of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that can help support your overall health. In addition to protein, it's important to include a variety of colorful vegetables in your salad to maximize its nutritional value. Vegetables like leafy greens, bell peppers, cucumbers, tomatoes, carrots, and broccoli are rich in vitamins, minerals, and fiber that can help support digestion, boost immunity, and reduce inflammation in the body. By incorporating a rainbow of vegetables into your salad, you can ensure that you are getting a wide range of nutrients that can help detoxify your body and promote optimal health. To further enhance the detoxifying properties of your high-protein salad, consider adding ingredients like fresh herbs, nuts, seeds, and healthy fats. Herbs like cilantro, parsley, and mint are known for their ability to support the body's natural detoxification processes and can help eliminate toxins from the liver and kidneys. Nuts and seeds like almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and antioxidants that can help reduce inflammation and support heart health. Healthy fats like avocado, olive oil, and coconut oil can help improve the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins and promote healthy skin, hair, and nails. When it comes to dressing your high-protein salad, opt for homemade dressings made with simple, wholesome ingredients like olive oil, lemon juice, vinegar, herbs, and spices. Store-bought dressings often contain added sugars, preservatives, and artificial ingredients that can negate the health benefits of your salad. By making your own dressings at home, you can control the quality and quantity of ingredients and ensure that your salad is as nutritious and delicious as possible. Incorporating high-protein salads into your diet on a regular basis can have a profound impact on your overall health and well-being. By choosing nutrient-dense ingredients and focusing on whole, unprocessed foods, you can support your body's natural detoxification processes, boost your energy levels, and improve your digestion. Whether you enjoy your salad as a main meal or as a side dish, you can rest assured that you are nourishing your body from the inside out and giving it the tools it needs to thrive. So the next time you're looking for a healthy and satisfying meal option, consider whipping up a high-protein salad that is packed with a variety of nutrient-dense ingredients. Your body will thank you for it, and you'll be well on your way to feeling your best and living your healthiest life.